From sunny Tampa, Florida, happy Bad Bunny Day. Yeah, Super Bowl Sunday. And yeah, I'm back in Tampa. And as you can see, this unusually cold winter has just ravaged my garden. I do want to take advantage of this time to talk to you about responsibility with AI as an instructional designer or an AI content creator. The more you work with AI, the more you learn to recognize AI slop when you see it, and good AI that's being misused. There's all kinds of news out there, and some of it is real, some of it isn't. You be the judge. I don't want to see anything that's not real, and because then the stuff that is real has greater value to me, because if I know it's real, then I know how to react to it. But I do not ever want to not take seriously real news video, because I think it may be AI. So I'm asking you, if you work with AI and you want to make stuff with AI and then put it out on the internet for entertainment or whatever, be responsible, okay? In other words, if you're going to do something political, make it obvious that it's political. In other words, make it obvious that it's satire. If I'm having a hard time discerning between some of the real video and the fake AI video that is so well done that it looks like it may be real, imagine what the average viewer is thinking. I mean, you could effectively cause something to happen that could be catastrophic just because you thought it would be interesting or fun to make an AI video. Okay, so be responsible. Anyway, yeah, I am back in Tampa, and my wife and I had a great time in Europe. We can't wait to go back out there. Look at all my yucca trees, also known as cassava. They're just sticks. I mean, this is horrible. You see, my wife is Latina, and she grew up eating all of these Caribbean type foods. And so I started this garden so that I could prepare some of the food that she grew up with and that we both love. But Tampa is right at that line where certain winters you might have 1 or 2 weeks of cold that could kill your tropical plants. This has been one of those. And fortunately, these plants, they grow pretty quickly, almost like weeds, and they can provide food within a couple of years, most of them. So it's sad, but they'll come back. I'm just hoping that the mango trees are just taking a nap, and that's all it is. They're tough as nails, so they should be okay. They just look dead. And all of my guandules shot. All I've got that appears to be doing okay is one of my avocado trees. It's just a little guy, and who knows if that'll make it through the rest of the winter. But yeah, this mango, my God, I can't believe it. And then my platanos trees. I mean, I even have my first batch of platanos, my first platanos flower. Look at that. Heartbreaking. I mean, if you know what tostones are, you know that is gold, you know? It's very sad. But hopefully I'm wrong and everything will come back. I am going to harvest that yucca, though. I mean, the beautiful thing about yucca is all you have to do is pull the roots out of the ground. The roots are like, they're kind of like potatoes. If you're a gringo like me, you know that. And then you just chop up the stalks and bury them in the ground, and they act like seeds, which is absolutely amazing. And I love yucca. Fried yucca, boiled yucca with olive oil and onions. Ay, Dios mío. Sabroso. In the meantime, take care of yourself and have an awesome day.